Subscribe to Getcurried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Today let's make a Masaledar mutton curry, which is the Boti Masala, a famous dish from Purani Delhi. Here I have a kg of boneless mutton, to which I'm going to add juice of 1 lemon, a heaped tablespoon of ginger paste, a heaped tablespoon of garlic paste, quarter teaspoon of mace powder, 1.5 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, 2 tablespoons of roasted coriander seeds and roasted cumin seed powder, 3 finely chopped green chilies, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, about 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder. You can use according to your liking. Quarter cup of finely chopped fresh mint leaves, quarter cup of finely chopped coriander. Here I'm going to take some fried onions. Basically I have fried 4 medium-sized onions, nice and golden, deep fried them. I'm just going to crush them and I'm going to add it to the mutton. Add a cup of curd, salt about 1.5 teaspoon and quarter cup of oil. Mix this really well. Massage the meat with all these spices. I'm going to just cover this and marinate it for an hour or 2. It's been more than an hour that we had kept the mutton to rest. Now we're going to simply put this in a kadai, saute it for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to cover it and cook it for about 45 minutes to an hour on a slow flame till the mutton pieces are cooked. I've kept the flame on a high. We've seared the meat for about 4 to 5 minutes. As you can see, the oil is separated as well. Now I'm going to put the flame on a low to a medium and let it cook for about 45 to 50 minutes till the mutton is cooked. So we've slow cooked this Boti Masala for almost an hour 15 minutes on a low flame. Let's check if the meat is cooked. It's nice and cooked really well and it's smelling amazing too. Let's remove it in a serving bowl. I'm just going to garnish it with a few coriander leaves. And our Boti Masala is ready to be served. You can have it with naan, paratha, kulchas, any bread of your choice. So do try this Purani Delhi ki recipe of Boti Masala and let me know.